is wintertime, and one of the best things to do is feed your body with good, wholesome comfort food. Neely Fisher from The Flexible Chef is here and will be giving a demonstration of French onion soup in a slow cooker. Sounds amazing, Neely. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. I'm already hungry.
I know. I wish I was there with you. I feel like French onion soup can be a little intimidating for people, right? So what ingredients do we need?
So few ingredients. I was intimidated too, but once you read through the recipe or watch this segment for 2.5 minutes, I'm going to tell you how.
Okay.
You basically just need lots of onions. I used about 5 for a pot this size. You slice them really, really thin, and you cook them up with a whole lot of butter. I love to add a little olive oil so that they caramelize nicely. That cooks for like 30 minutes. Then we've got either vegetable stock or beef stock. I used vegetable stock to make mine veggie, but use whatever stock you like. It's traditionally made with the beef stock. And then we've got the most amazing part, which is the iconic part of the French onion soup. And we've got these cute little baguette slices and some cheese. And I'm using just some mozzarella and some cheddar, but you could use whatever you have on hand. And those are the ingredients. That's it. It's just a little bit of time and patience waiting for it to simmer.
Can I ask you about the onions? Is there a specific onion that we should use?
You know, I'm the flexible chef. I hate specific because if you go to the grocery store and they don't have the exact Vidalia onion or whatever that thing is, and you're going to go on a wild goose chase, use a white onion. It doesn't matter which one. Red ones are personally less of a favorite, but really any onion is great.
And that's it. Okay, great. Now the cheese is my favorite part of French onion soup. Of course, I want a ton of it on top. Yeah. Is there a specific cheese should we use? I know you said mozzarella, but can we use anything?
You can use anything, whatever your favorite cheese that melts. As long as it melts and it gets all caramelized and gooey, that's the best part.
Okay, love it. And why is this such a great meal for winter?
Oh my God, it's such a comfort food. It's just so warming and delicious. It's also a little bit more high in calories and like more filling than a traditional soup. So, you know, after a bowl of it, I have a recipe in my cookbook. I call it a hug in the bowl. And it's sort of like a hug in a bowl because it kind of warms you up from the inside. And it's really just a meal. So it's fabulous.
Yeah, we feel so fancy and making it at home. It's like pinkies out while you're making French onion soup in your own home. Let's talk about the baguette. Can you use any type of bread?
You totally can. In fact, I'm gluten-free. This happens to be a gluten-free baguette. If you don't want to use bread, you actually don't even have to. So you could this is my big pot of soup. I made these in little ramekins, they're so cute and pretty. But if you don't have these at home, you could just put it in a pot. And sometimes I literally just sprinkle the cheese. I'll even do it right now. I sprinkle the cheese on the top of my pot, pop it in the oven just for like, a minute or two. And then you kind of take it out and it oozes with the cheese. And you can even ditch the carb if you want it.
I am so hungry. I have to make this at home immediately. Okay, Neely, where can we go for more information and to find this recipe right now?
Yeah, you can go to my website, theflexiblechef.com. If you go right now, it's under construction, but it is about to be a better version than anything you've ever seen. I've got recipes and videos. I have a brand new digital TV show coming out, which I can't wait for you guys to watch. And you can, in the meantime, follow me on Instagram at The Flexible Chef. I answer questions. We have a really fun community, so I'd love to see you there.
Amazing. I can't wait to make this soup. Thanks for joining us, Neely. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you.